Students, let us understand a very interesting sum based on finding the area of a shaded region. Now, here is the question for us, which says, in the figure, a crescent is formed by two circles which touch at point A. C is the center of the larger circle. The width of the crescent at BD is 9 centimeters and at EF it is 5 centimeters. We are supposed to find two things. First, the radii of two circles, and second, the area of the shaded region, where pi is equal to 3.14. Now students, let us start with the figure. It says a crescent is formed by the two circles, as you can see in the figure. Further it says the width of the crescent at BD, that means the value of BD is 9 centimeters and the value of EF is 5 centimeters. Now students, we are supposed to find the radii of two circles, that is one the bigger circle and the smaller circle. Now students, for this we need to have construction. Let us draw AE and DE. Now if you focus, for the smaller circle, AD is the diameter. And if you concentrate on angle AED, it is the angle inscribed in a semicircle. So we can say angle AED is equal to 90 degrees. And the reason will be angle in a semicircle. Now students, let us consider angle DEC as theta. Also, if you observe, AED, the bigger angle, is made up of angle DEC and angle AEC. So we can write angle AED is equal to angle DEC plus angle AEC. Now let us substitute the values. The value of angle AED is 90 degrees is equal to the value of angle DEC is theta plus angle AEC. So students, from here we get angle AEC is equal to 90 minus theta. Let us mark it as equation number 2. Now students, let us move further and consider the triangle DEC. Now in triangle DCE, we can say angle DEC is equal to theta, as we have considered it before. Angle ECD is equal to 90, which was given in the question. Therefore, we can say angle EDC, which is the remaining angle, will be equal to 90 minus theta. And let's mark this as equation number 3. Now students, after this triangle, let us consider the adjacent triangle, that is triangle ECA. Also in triangle ECA, we have the similar situation, where angle AEC is equal to 90 minus theta. That is from equation number 2, which we have already written. Angle ECA is equal to 90. Therefore, we can say the remaining angle, that is angle EAC, will be equal to theta. That is equation number 4. Now students, we have understood the information about both the triangles. So now, let us consider both the triangles, that is triangle DCE and triangle ECA. And we are going to prove these two triangles similar. Now we can say in triangle DCE and triangle ECA, we have angle DEC is equal to angle EAC, as their values are equal to theta. So we get this from equation number 1 and equation number 4. Also we can say angle EDC is equal to angle AEC, that we get from equation 2 and 3. As the corresponding angles of one triangle are equal to the corresponding angles of another triangle, we can say the triangle DCE is similar to triangle ECA by AA criterion of similarity. Once the triangles are similar, we can say that the ratios of the corresponding sides are going to be equal. So we write DC upon EC is equal to EC upon AC, and the reason will be CSST, that is the corresponding sides of similar triangles. On cross multiplication, we have EC square is equal to DC into AC. Now students, we have this very important equation, that is EC square is equal to DC into AC. Now let the radius of the larger circle be denoted by capital R. That means CA will be equal to R. Also students, let us now find EC and DC in terms of capital R so that we get the radius of the bigger circle. So let us focus. If you observe, BD plus DC will give us BC. Now let us substitute their values. BD, as it is given in the question, is 9 plus CD will be equal to BC. BC is nothing but the radius, so which is denoted by capital R. So we have DC is equal to R minus 9 centimeters. Students, we have calculated the value of DC in terms of R. Now let us understand the value of EC in terms of R. So if you observe, CE plus EF gives us CF. Let us again substitute their respective values. We have the value of EF given to be 5 centimeters. Therefore, CE plus 5 is equal to CF, which is the radius denoted by capital R. Again, we have CE is equal to R minus 5 centimeters. Now students, I want you to substitute the values of DC, CA and EC in the equation EC square is equal to DC into CA and get me the answer for this sum. Thank you.